I love that. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. And you got it. Did you get the notes? You already got it. Okay, so today we are doing log equations, solving log equations. So there's two types. Okay. So this is the first type. What do we notice here? They have the same base, and they both have a log. Anybody have any idea what we might be able to do? Yeah, just take the log away. So we have 2x equals x plus 2. Since they're both just a log on each side and the same base. We didn't. We did like a base with an exponent. So maybe that's what's making you think we might have done it. So we subtract x to solve it, and we get x is equal to 2 on this one. X, yes. Okay, we're going to do the one right below it next. What's different here on this one? They're not. Oh.
Nasty. There's 3 of them.
There's 3 of them. So the left-hand side has 2 of them, but they're the same base again, right? Can we make them one log? So that would be the log base 3 of, this is addition, 4x times 2. And then that's going to be log base 3 of 73. That makes sense? Okay, so both of these are log base 3. So now what can I do next? Yep, take out the log. And so this 4x times 2 would be equal to what? 8x. So we set 8x equal to 73. And then just solve that, divide by 8. And x is 73 over 8. While I'm thinking about it, there are a few problems on the homework where you get a fraction that simplifies. So make sure you simplify it completely. Because a lot of students were asking me, like if you could take a number and divide both of those by the same number, you want to simplify it. You can't on this one, though. Okay, next we're going to do this one on the top right. I'm going to wait till it's quiet. What's different on this one? So I have a log base 5 of x plus 8, log base 5 of 7, and then what's on the right side? Just a 1. Is there a log on the right side? No, so that's different than the last one, isn't it? So what we're going to do is we're first going to combine these two together and make one log. So log base 5 of what? What do we do with the x plus 8 and the 7 when it's addition here? Multiply. So it's going to be x plus 8 times 7 equals 1. So I'm just going to simplify that and rewrite this with distributing the 7. So it's log base 5 of 7x plus 56 equals 1. Follow me so far? Okay, so how might I solve it from here? Because I only have one log. Very good. Make it into exponential form. So my base is 5. What's my exponent? 1. and that's equal to 7x plus 56. And then I solve that. So what do I do next? What do we do next to solve for x? Subtract 56. And we get negative 51 equals 7x. And then we divide by 7, right? And x is negative 51 over 7. If you want to, if you're not sure, you try that on the calculator, see if 7 goes into 51. It does not. So our answer is negative 51 over 7. So those are the two types. Either you're going to change it to an exponential form, or you're just going to solve it, get a log equal to a log, and then take the logs away. Okay, I'm going to come back down to this one because they're going to be mixed up. Was there anybody that's still looking at this up here? Up right? Okay. So what would I do on this one? Log base 3 of x minus 6 divided by 3. Excuse me, divided by x. Equals log base 3 of 50. Because it's subtraction, we change it to division. And so now we have a log on both sides, right? So we're going to do what? Get rid of the log. So we have x minus 6 over x is equal to 50. So now what would we do to solve for x? Multiply both sides by x. That's right. So times by x. These x's cancel. And I get x minus 6 is 50x. What next? Minus x. Negative 6 is 49x. And then divide by 49. So x equals negative 6 over 49. Okay, I'm going to do one more. The one on the second one on the right. So what would be my first step on this one? So we're going to make it one log, right? So log base 2 of x plus 4, subtraction means division. So divided by x equals 3. But this time it's equal to 3. It's not equal to a log. So what do I need to do next? Put it in exponential form. That's right. So my base is 2. My exponent is 3. And it's equal to x plus 4 over x. So what is 2 to the third? 8. So 8 equals x plus 4 over x. And what next? You got to get rid of that denominator. So we multiply both sides by x. And we get 8x equals x plus 4. And so our next step would be to subtract x. 7x is 4, almost done. Divide by 7. So x is 4/7. Okay, so technically on these, you're supposed to do some checking for extraneous, but I just gave you ones where you didn't have to. None of them were extraneous. So we're going to spend another day on this, and I'll give you some that are extraneous.